Good morning, guys. For our first video lesson, we're going to go over our skills chart just like we do any other Monday morning. So just like you do while you're in school, I'm going to ask that you complete each day's skills chart, and then I'll go through and post a video of me going over it so that you make sure that you have the correct answers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read these words that we're going to use to answer questions throughout the week. So the first word is geology, invoke, audiovisual, vocabulary, respect, promote, aspect, deprive, terraces, produce, auditorium, and deformed. We've seen these words before in our skills charts, and we know a lot of these root or stem words as well. So which word best completes the sentence from this list? Farmers use blank to help prevent the erosion of dirt and soil. We're going to use these key words right here, dirt and soil, because this sentence is mostly about the erosion of dirt and soil. We're going to find a word that has a root or a stem of earth or dirt or ground. So we know geology, geo, has something to do with earth, and the only other one that we have is tear. Tear has to do with ground. So farmers use terraces to prevent the erosion of dirt and soil, because geology does not make sense in this sentence. All right, fix the sentence. Is it a fragment or a run-on? The pink and yellow tulips. This sentence is a fragment. We know this because it only gives us a subject. It is missing the predicate of the sentence, or it is missing telling us what the pink and yellow tulips are or what they are doing. So I'm going to fix this sentence by adding a predicate, and my predicate is going to be are beautiful. Make sure you add your punctuation at the end. Which definition of focus is being used in the sentence? Martha was the focus of the show. So we know that we have 4 different definitions down here of the word focus. 2 of them are nouns, and the other 2 are verbs. In this sentence, focus is being used as a noun, so we can go ahead and eliminate 3 and 4. Those are both verbs, so we don't need to use them because this is being used as a noun. So the first definition is the center of interest, and the second one is the state of producing clear visual definition. Martha was the center of interest in the show rather than the state of producing clear visual definition. So your first definition is the one that is being used in the sentence. All right, we're going to correct the dialogue. There are billions of stars in the sky, stated the astronomer. The first thing we're going to do is identify what is being said in the sentence. So there are billions of stars in the sky. And I know that's what's being said because it's followed by my speaker tag, stated the astronomer. We're going to go in and add our quotation marks now that we know what is being said. Put quotation marks at the beginning of what is being said and at the end of what is being said. And we need to have a comma here before my quotation marks to show the separation between what is being said and the speaker tag. All right, which modal auxiliary verb shows willingness? Right here. That's your key word. I can run a mile in 7 minutes. I will run a mile in 7 minutes, or I should run a mile in 7 minutes. Will is the only one that shows the willingness to run. Can means that you have the ability. Should means that you could do it. Will shows willingness. All right, where does the comma go? They went to the park to have a picnic, but they forgot the hot dogs. This is a compound sentence, and in our compound sentences, we know that we need to have a comma before our fanboy or our conjunction to help separate these 2 sentences. So if we wanted them to, they went to the park to have a picnic. That's a complete sentence. They forgot the hot dogs is also a complete sentence, but we want to put them together to make a compound sentence, and we're going to separate them with our comma and our fanboy. All right, the meaning of the suffix able or able is capable, Google. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another video going over Tuesday's skills chart.